This old guy DIY video has to do with extending the stair treads at the house of this hot chick I know. So she's getting older. She bought an older house and the stair treads are only 9 inches. And in 2023 I think the standard is 11 1/4. So 9 inches, she basically has to take little granny steps so she doesn't fall down and wipe out. And what's going on today is I have these pieces of wood that I cut out of a 2x6 that adds 2 1/4 inch to this 9 inch step. So that'll give her 11 1/4. And I'm screwing this in on the front in 3 places. I might come back and do 2 more places if I have to. This is just the beginning of the project. And my assembly technique is to take these 25-pound plates, I lay them flush on the stairs, and then I can just grab this thing, push it up from the bottom, shoot my screws in, so that gives me positive location so everything is flush. It's an old home, so I'm not so much worried about level as flush. And then once this is in place, I just shoot some construction adhesive on the step itself, and then put this thing that's called a kappa tread. And these are at Home Depot for about 40 bucks a piece. You cut them to length. We'll turn it into something like this. That's 12 inches total, but they call 11 1/4 the tread depth. So now I'm going to go and just work my way down the stairs, lay these plates down, slap a piece of 2-inch wood beneath it that's been cut to length, and then once I get those all screwed in, I'll come back with a construction adhesive, put the construction adhesive down, put these kappa treads on there. I'll shoot a couple of finished nails with a brad gun just here in the back, and that'll be that. This is what it looks like with the extra 2 inches added to each of the treads. And I ended up putting 5 screws in from the front, and that seems to hold it nice and tight. As I walk up and down these stairs, there's very little give, if any, so I'm sure she'll be safe. I'll go get some adhesive, start putting those kappa treads on. This is what the stairs look like after putting the kappa treads in on top of that piece of 1.5 inch board. So I put the construction adhesive on. Basically I put one line here at the seam where my spacer board met the old step, and then I kind of squiggled a line in here, and then I just put 4 brads in with a little nail gun. I have one there, one here, one there, and one there. On each step I put the adhesive down, and then I stood on the step and kind of wiggled it around and stomped on it. And when I put the adhesive down, I put it about as thick as toothpaste coming out of the tube. So when I stood on it, it would spread out and should have good adhesion on both sides. So everything is in place, nailed down. The hot chick says the steps look good and feel good. She's satisfied. I'm sure there's another good dinner coming for me as a reward. And we'll call this one mission accomplished. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.